In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automate a new blog post on Activecampaign. The goal is simple. Each time you publish a new post on your blog, Activecampaign will detect it through your RSS feed and automatically send an email to your audience. Before you build the automation, you will want to confirm that your blog is properly connected inside Activecampaign, because the RSS trigger relies on that connection to find new content reliably. Start by going to the website section, then choose Blog. Take a moment to verify that your blog is connected. If it is connected, you should be able to see it listed and ready to use. This quick check helps prevent issues later, like the automation not finding any posts. Next, go to Automations and select Create an Automation. When Activecampaign asks how you want to start, choose Start from Scratch, then click Continue. Starting from scratch keeps this setup clean and focused, with only the pieces you need for a blog update email. For the trigger, select RSS feed. This tells Activecampaign to watch your blog feed and react when a new item appears. Now enter your blog RSS URL. This is the link to your RSS feed, not just your homepage. Make sure you paste the full RSS feed address so Activecampaign can read your latest post correctly. After that, set the check frequency. A common choice is every day at a specific time. Pick a time that matches when you typically publish, or when you want emails to go out. Checking too often is usually unnecessary, but checking on a daily schedule keeps your audience updated consistently. Now add an action by choosing Send an Email. Create the email using a template, then open the email designer and use the RSS feed module. This module automatically pulls in key details from the newest post, like the title, an image if available, and the link. This saves you from editing the email every time you publish. Review the layout and wording so it matches your brand, and confirm that the link points to the post. Finally, click Save, then set the automation to active. Once it is active, Activecampaign will monitor your RSS feed based on your schedule and send your blog update email automatically whenever a new post appears. That covers everything you need to know.